Hey, do you want more customers? Do you want more sales? Do you want to retain your customers? Do you want to scale your business? If your answer is yes, this video is for you. Watch till the end. All digital marketers know the pain of going to different websites, acquiring different tools that are scattered all over the internet for the purposes of building your website, through capturing leads, for the purposes of creating a landing pages, installing Google Analytics, advertising on Google AdWords, capturing leads on your website, putting your content on social media, building a booking calendar, taking calls for the appointments, perhaps following up with the customers periodically, because sales requires at least 3 follow-ups before customers build up their mind. GoHighLevel.com is an amazing off-the-shelf marketing tool focused primarily on agencies rather than individuals. But considering that AI automation and the agentic AI has leveraged internet-based opportunities for individuals as well. So now GoHighLevel.com not only focuses on the agencies but also focuses on the individuals. For all your marketing appetite, so that you can acquire new customers, you can capture leads, you can retain your existing customers by having all the tools under one umbrella. Take it as a cargo ship where all the valuables are dumped and being transported from one place to another safely, securely, without you worrying about your goods. This is what GoHighLevel is doing. It is leveraging all the internet-based resources, collecting all the tools, has brought them under one umbrella, and you can just use all the different tools depending on the requirement of your business with one single click. GoHighLevel comes with a 14 days free trial for you to see, because seeing is believing, what kind of services it is offering. You'll have to sign up and see how you can use this tool for your business. I signed up. I'm into digital marketing business. Everybody knows. If you have not watched my previous videos, I would highly recommend subscribing the channel and checking out different playlists. The CRM part of GoHighLevel, where you are capturing leads, where you are building a business case, and then you are creating reports, and you are automating, talking to different components of your business. Then there is a pipeline, which is the project management system for you to see the status of a project and your colleagues working in a project and their percentage of completion. This is amazing, and it really does not get any bigger than this. From acquiring the customer to getting paid, all the process in between these two connecting dots is provided by GoHighLevel.com. If you are into digital marketing, if you want to upscale your business, if you want to do more sales, if you want to get more customers, if you want to automate your social media platform, if you want to talk the different components of your agency with one another, I would highly recommend looking at the description of this video. Click on the link, sign up on GoHighLevel.com, and you will not repent your decision.